Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. So this is going to be a very short video and something different than the usual I usually do on my channel. So this one is for my fellow small YouTubers. So I'm calling out my small YouTubers to comment down below and just let me know what your content is all about, and I want to genuinely support your channel. So you can just let me know what your videos are all about and what you make. Then I want to genuinely support you, because there's so much right now on YouTube that it's not easy for me to find who's starting off and needs support. So if you're interested, you can just leave the comment down below. As for me, my channel is all about DIYs, fashion and beauty, mom life, and my lifestyle here in Finland. And if you're interested in such content, you can subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. I'm wishing you a lovely Sunday and have a blessed upcoming week.